Retest review, test 4 radicals. This will be problems 5 and 6. So for 5 we have 4 times the square root of negative 6 times 3 times the square root of 12. So we're going to multiply the numbers outside. 4 times 3 is 12. And then we'll multiply the numbers underneath the radical. Negative 6 times 12 is negative 72. Now we can't take the square root of a negative number, but we know that the square root of a negative 1 is I. So what we're going to do is we'll have 12I, and then we'll have the square root of 72. So this negative becomes our I, and then we're going to simplify 72. We know that's 6 times 12, and 12 is 6 times 2. Now we're taking the square root, so we just need two of the same number. So you could keep prime factoring it. I'm going to leave it like this. So 72 is really 6 times 6 times 2. And with the square root, you need two of the same number, so 6 will drop out, and the 2 will stay home. And we also have this 12i outside. So I'm going to take 12i times 6, that gives me 72i, and then I have root 2 on the end. And that will be my simplified form. Question number 6, we have two radicals, we're dividing them. So what you can do is you can combine them as one radical. So I'm going to write this as square root of 324 divided by 2. I'm going to take 324 and I'll divide it by 2, and that gives me 162. And then what I want to do is take 162 and break that down. So I need to think of two numbers that go into 162. It ends in 2, so I know that 2 will go in there. That's 2 times 81. And I know 81 is 9 times 9. I could keep breaking it down, but with a square root, I just need two of the same numbers. So I can write this as 9 times 9 times 2. And there's two 9s, so 9 will leave, and the 2 stays home. So my simplified form would be 9 square roots of 2.